disturb Teacher Sheila. Parents, we cannot bring our child home yet without signing, okay? Thank you.
We're back. Best in Math Award goes to Chan Ananyor. Okay, here we go. The one who led painting the clouds and the best in art goes to Kun Batana. Okay, best in journal writing. He writes very funny and interesting stories. Best in journal writing goes to Kay Von David. Best in spelling, Sanso Piro. Best in handwriting, Lee Si-Heng. Perfect attendance award goes to Kong Hangmei. Okay, I guess this one is a friend of everyone. Friendship award goes to Nancheto Kakao. Okay, and most responsible award goes to this girl always tries her best to be the best in everything that she does. Most responsible student award goes to Lee Si-Heng. And the last but not the least, the most helpful award goes to Bana Sapanchana.